You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciation, including how it's pronounced in the original Hebrew pronunciation from the Bible, stay tuned. I've got a video for you you'll want to watch. In English, however, the pronunciation is as Zacharia. Zacharia. Stress on the right syllable. Zacharia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.